Okay, the next stage, I want to try and make a conditional statement that finds out more details about the different friends. So I'm going to make a choice variable. Oops. And that choice variable is going to be decided by the user who runs the program. I'm going to give them an input, give them a little message. Which friend do you want to know more about? And leave a space at the end, that's important. Now when I run this program, and say which friend do you want to know more about? I can get rid of this bit. Oops. And I'm going to start my conditional statement. So if choice equals, two equals for comparison, if choice equals 1, print George lives in London. So now, oops, if I run my program, I want to press 1, George lives in London. If I press something else, nothing happens. If choice equals 2, and have to put the 2 in speech marks because the computer thinks that the number is a letter, it's a string. Print Martin lives in Ken. Oops. Else print oops. I don't know. So now, when I run my program, which friend do I want to know about? If I press 1, it tells me about George. If I run the program and I press 2, it tells me about Martin. Oops. And if I press another number or anything other than 1 and 2, it says I don't know. If I want to add more friends, all I need to do is add additional elifs. Oops. Elif choice equals 3, print oops, Stuart lives in Twickenham, and so on.